Hi, this is a quick review of the Keyboard Paradise V60 Mini mechanical keyboard. I bought this keyboard locally with Cherry MX Brown switches, but it comes with the option for reds, greens, whites, clears, and Matthias clicking and quiet. It also comes with the option for blue and red or blue and green LEDs, although that may vary depending on the switch type. The board uses Cherry stabilizers as opposed to the wire-type Co-Star stabilizers that you might find on something like a DAS keyboard. This makes swapping out caps very easy. There's no playing around with wire stabilizers when you try and change big keys like, say, the spacebar or the shift keys. It plugs in with mini USB on the keyboard end and comes with a cable in the box. The layout is a simple 60% layout with a function layer for the keys that would otherwise be present on a full-size board. You can swap out caps lock for function, tilde for escape, and as I'm on a Mac, I've swapped the Alt out for a Mac command key. All these spare keycaps come in the box with the board. The keycaps themselves are a laser-etched ABS plastic. They're not great to type on compared to, say, POM plastic, but the legends do look great. I really like the typeface they've used on the keys themselves. The backlight is variable through multiple levels, including a fairly useless pulsating mode. You can also lock the right Shift Control menu Alt cluster to be arrow keys, and I use that pretty much all of the time. Here's a quick sample of what the keyboard sounds like with my fairly poor typing skills. I've modified the keyboard with a Vortex 60% cast aluminium case. Performing the case swap itself is easy. Remove 2 exposed screws at the back, 2 under the rubber feet, and 1 from the front of the board at the center. I've found that it improves the feel of typing on the board substantially. Where the stock plastic case felt a little cheap, the aluminium case has a really nice heft to it, and it very much helps make the board feel stable even when typing quickly. I also really enjoy the look of the exposed switches. The only problem with the case is that it covers one of the dip switches, so make sure you're happy with the layout and any configuration options that you've chosen to set via those switches before you install the case. I've linked below to KBP's instructions on how to install the case. I hope you enjoyed the review, and if you've got any questions, please feel free to comment below. To summarize, I really like this board, and the 60% Vortex case makes it even better. Highly recommended.